Students will go to the storybird.com website from their web browser. Once they get to the home page, they'll log in using a username that's been assigned by myself, and they get to the home screen. Once they get to the home screen, they can click on Create at the top of the screen. Once they click Create, they can then scroll down and choose from a number of pictures by the artists created at the Storybird website, and whatever picture strikes them for a story, they can choose by clicking on the thunderbolt or lightning bolt. From there, they have an option to create a multi-chapter book, a multi-page book, or a single image for a poem. For this particular assignment, I'd ask students to click multi-page in order to create a picture book. You'll see it sets up the book for them. They have space to write their narrative, they have the picture, and down at the bottom here, they will see a running storyboard of their book. So if the student didn't want to start their first page with this particular picture, they could choose another and drag it. And you'll see that as you drag it across the screen, you can change its location. If I wanted it down at the bottom, to put text up here, I just click and drag wherever I want it. Then I can add text and then add another page, where again I can choose an image, just double click and drag, and you can see as I drag it, it will show what it would look like and where it would go on the page. Down in the running timeline, I have a cover page, and you can see I can choose my style. I can customize the colors that are used, and then I can add in my title, and Bledsoe 3 is our class name, but here I can change the author. Then once I've done that, I can save and exit, or save, but it's going to prompt me to make sure if I'm not finished, it's not going to publish it yet, which I'm going to choose. However, if I were finished my story and I were ready for it to be published, I can privately publish it, which is what I would ask students to do, where it's only shared on our classroom virtual library, or we can share it publicly for the website to access it, which I wouldn't have my students do as they're only in 3rd grade. And then of course, if I'm not happy with the story at all, I can delete the story.